So we have Pooja Ghosh with us. Welcome to the BW Business World and BW Marketing World. First of all, congratulations on winning our 40 under 40 award. So my first question is, what this award means to you?
I think it's an honor to be part of this elite cohort. I've always heard about the 30 under 30 and the 40 under 40s of the world. So it's really an honor to be here. And some of the other winners I've seen, the kind of profiles they have, and I do feel that if this is the kind of cohort that is doing so well in marketing, the future is bright. So yeah, very excited and honored to be here.
My second question is, what are your company's internal goals and strategies to pursue growth?
So, like most of the rest of the companies, we're also moving towards metricization of marketing. For us at Max Life, how does business and marketing go hand in hand together is something that we've really been passionately working towards. And, with more and more of metricization coming into marketing as a world, it's really helped us ensure that every dollar of marketing that we're spending is really adding value in some way or the other to the top line of the company, and that's really driven our decisions, whether in terms of what's the kind of media choicing that we're doing, the kind of comms that we're looking at, right? All of that is currently being determined by what works best for business, and that's an exciting space to be in, because earlier it was all about storytelling, and now it's storytelling with value creation. So that's what we're focusing on as a brand. And Max Life anyway has always looked at the consumer as the person who is the difference, right? So we have this purpose called "You're the Difference." So we always say that every individual is the difference for their loved ones, and all that we do is just to ensure and empower that individual to make the best decision for their family and protect them.
So my next question is, what is your outlook on the marketing sector in the upcoming time?
Very exciting space to be in. I think with AI coming in, there's a lot of efficiencies that we've been able to see in our, whether it's our daily work, or if it's whether it's in video creation, content creation, etc. But it also poses a challenge to authenticity of a brand, right? Like with Gen Zs, we know that they like to see brands as real and authentic. And while usage of AI is great because it makes us more efficient, and it makes processes more efficient, the tricky part is for a marketer especially to ensure that we tread that line very carefully so that we don't lose the authenticity of the brand that comes in, that appeals to audiences, right? Like for me as well, campaigns that really talk to me as an individual and show their authentic real self is what I'll believe more in than content that I feel is generated by an AI and I don't relate to it. So very exciting times, but also to be we need to tread slowly towards it.
Authentic is very important. So, ma'am, my last question is your advices for young people, those who are in the marketing or want to join marketing.
I think my advice would be, when I was in college, I always heard that marketing के लिए sales करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, right? And I never used to believe in that, but I went through that journey myself. I spent like 2 years in hardcore FMCG sales, and I think that really built the foundation of all the work that I'm doing now, because I think being on the field really helps you understand consumers, helps you understand sellers, your distributors, your partners, and that just makes your work better. I'm not saying it's a mandate to be on the field, but it's very important to be close to the ground so you know that the work you're doing is actually impacting someone and is not just an eyewash. So to anybody who wants to be in marketing or is just starting out, I would say keep going back to the field for market visits to get all the insights, because that's where that is what will really make your work more meaningful and impactful. So that's that.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your insights.
Thank you so much. Thank you.